What's up, everyone? It's your girl, Bożena, back again with another Christmas creation. Today, we're not making just any holiday figure. We're making someone who's got a little extra spirit, if you know what I mean. Meet Rudolphina Rebel. She's a reindeer human hybrid, but not your average holiday sweetheart. Nope. This girl's got attitude, flair, and the best red nose in town. But don't expect her to follow the rules. Nope. She's all about that Christmas rebellion. Alright, let's start with her face. We need a bold look for this rebellious reindeer. I'm going for that don't mess with me, I'm too cool for Christmas vibe. I'm sculpting a bold, confident face with a cheeky little smirk because Rudolphina doesn't have time for your holiday drama. Her teeth? Oh, they're not just sharp. They're dangerously sharp. Like they could slice through the toughest gingerbread house walls in seconds. Honestly, I think they might be secretly jealous of Santa's reindeer antlers, so they're ready to bite back at any moment. Imagine this, Rudolphina's giving you that cheeky grin, and suddenly, snap! You've lost your candy cane. They're the kind of teeth that make you wonder if she's been nibbling on a bit more than just Christmas treats. Maybe the gingerbread village, or perhaps the leftover Christmas lights. Either way, you better keep your sweets on lockdown when she's around. Ah, the nose! Rudolphina's nose is no ordinary reindeer feature. It's big, bold, and a little too bright. You could probably spot it from space. It's not that cute, shiny red dot we usually expect. No, her nose has a mischievous glow to it, like it's always up to something, and I swear it almost twitches when she's plotting her next trick. You know, like it's the first to know where all the Christmas cookies are hidden. Then there are her eyes, big, bold, and ever so slightly unhinged. It's as if they're watching your every move, plotting some merry chaos while sparkling like frosty icicles. Honestly, they scream, "I see you when you're sleeping, and I've got plans." Now, we can't forget those hands. Rudolphina's not about being all dainty. She's got hands ready to throw snowballs or swipe the last cookie. Gotta give her a strong, feisty look, just like her personality. Ah, the holidays, the time of year when every radio station seems to be competing in the "how many times can we play Last Christmas before New Year" challenge. And of course, let's not forget our dear friend Kevin, who has officially been left home alone more times than any real child would survive. Seriously, at this point, Kevin's practically part of the family. It's like a Christmas rite of passage to watch him scare off burglars with toy cars and a whole lot of holiday spirit. And let's be honest, without All I Want for Christmas Is You blasting on repeat everywhere, how would we even know it's December? It's like a holiday compass. You hear Mariah and bam, it's time to start wrapping gifts and digging out your stretchy pants for holiday feasts. Now that we've baked her face and hands, time to add some shadows. We want her to look like she's ready to kick off some Christmas chaos. So I'm shading to give her face more depth and a little bit of mystery. Just look at that! Rudolphina's got the perfect mischievous vibe. She's totally ready to take over the North Pole, one snowball at a time. What's your favorite holiday movie that you watch every single year? Is it Home Alone, or do you have a unique tradition? What's your go-to holiday song? You know, the one you can't resist singing along to, even if it's on repeat? Adding sparkles to Rudolphina was pure holiday fun. I popped some tiny diamond gems under her eyes because why wouldn't a mischievous reindeer need a little extra sparkle while plotting her next cookie heist? And her fur? Well, it's really polymer clay, but I gave it a shiny brown glow, so it looks like she's been rolling in Christmas magic, or maybe just glitter glue. Either way, she's all about looking fabulous while causing a little trouble. Ah, the moment of truth. Putting it all together. First, I had to attach her little hooves, which are actually super delicate, but don't tell her that. She's too busy plotting her next move to care. Then came the four-fingered furry paws. They're like little mittens, but don't let them fool you. She could easily use them to swipe your cookies and your Christmas spirit. Finally, the moment I've been waiting for, the head. I carefully attach her wild, expressive face to the body. One look, and you know she's not your average reindeer. She's ready to stir up some festive trouble, and there's no way she's going to let you get away with anything this holiday season. Ah, wrapping Rudolphina's body was like turning chaos into cozy. First, I carefully wrapped her wire limbs in upholstery stuffing until they were soft and squishy. Then came the sporty foam layer, because even rebellious reindeer need a good base for all their adventures. By the time I was done, her limbs were so huggably soft, I was tempted to keep her as a stress toy. But let's be real, she'd probably plot against me the second I looked away. Sewing fur onto Rudolphina's legs was an adventure in chaos. The fabric had a mind of its own, floating everywhere like it was auditioning for a snowstorm. But hey, she's a humanoid reindeer. Fluffy legs are non-negotiable. By the end, I was covered in fuzz, but Rudolphina looked fabulous and ready to strut her stuff. Now, what's a rebel without her signature outfit? I'm making her a super cute red and green outfit with some little touches that say, yeah, I'm festive, but I'm also too cool for Christmas rules. Red is definitely her color. It's bold, it's bright, and it says, I'm here to steal the spotlight. Plus, green accents just scream Christmas without being all holly jolly. Now, every reindeer hybrid needs some serious antlers, right? But we're not going basic here. Nope. Rudolphina's antlers are getting a glam makeover with these tiny red baubles. They're like little Christmas ornaments because why shouldn't your antlers sparkle? She's gotta be fabulous, duh. Look at those. They're tiny but mighty, just like Rudolphina herself. Total holiday boss vibes. It was Christmas Eve in Whoville, and all the Whos were busy preparing for the big holiday feast. The air was filled with the scent of gingerbread, candy canes, and pine trees, but there was one problem. Rudolphina Rebel was on the prowl. Half reindeer, half mischievous Christmas spirit, she had one goal in mind, the cookies. All of them, every last crumb. Her antlers sparkled with red baubles, her red and green outfit fluffed out as she snuck into the kitchen, eyes gleaming. Time to cause a little holiday chaos, she muttered, adjusting her scarf like she was on a secret mission. She tiptoed past the Who family, who were busy singing carols, and eyed the cookie plate sitting innocently on the counter. It was loaded with sugar cookies, gingerbread men, and oh yes, the ultimate prize, the big buttery chocolate chip cookie. Just as she was about to snatch one, a loud "Aha!" echoed through the room. It was Mr. Who catching her mid-heist. Rudolphina froze, then smirked. "What?" "I'm just admiring your holiday decor," she said, casually pulling a cookie into her scarf. Mr. Who raised an eyebrow. "Is that a cookie in your pocket?" She grinned. "Maybe. But hey, you know what they say. 'Tis the season for a little extra mischief." With a wink and a wink, she bolted out of the room faster than you could say reindeer games, leaving behind a trail of cookie crumbs. But she didn't stop there. Oh no, Rudolphina wasn't just after cookies. She was starting a holiday rebellion, one cookie at a time. And from that day on, every Christmas in Whoville was a little sweeter and a lot more mischievous, thanks to Rudolphina Rebel. Rudolphina has a message for you straight from her glittery, slightly chaotic heart. She says, "Click that subscribe button or I'll chew through your Christmas lights. Trust me, you don't want a visit from a sparkly reindeer with sharp teeth and an attitude. Oh, and don't forget to like and comment. She's watching." Every comment gives her an extra shine in her antler decorations. And for the true Rudolphina fans out there, she suggests checking out my Patreon. "It's where the magic happens," she says while winking mischievously. Or maybe that's her plotting face. Who knows? Better subscribe to find out.